The Air Jordan 4 Flyknit University Red stands out as one of the boldest AJ4 releases ever, redefining the classic silhouette with a fully woven Flyknit upper instead of its usual leather build. Dropping during the model's 30th anniversary, this pair instantly turned heads for its modern, sculpted, all-red appearance, an energy-packed design that blended futuristic materials with the Air Jordan 4's iconic retro DNA. The molded wings and heel tab kept Tinker Hatfield's original blueprint alive, while the vibrant university red finish added a powerful, monochromatic statement similar to pastoral red legends. Part of a 4-pair Flyknit pack, the red colorway quickly became the fan favorite and remains highly sought after today as the Air Jordan 4 continues its global rise in popularity. For collectors still looking, pairs can be found on trusted resale platforms like StockX, making this release a must-watch for fans of standout AJ4 designs.